The word amensalism is a type of species interaction. It is a type of species interaction like other species interaction, mutualism, which is also called proto-cooperation, and the competition, which is the type of exploitation and all that. So species interaction generally refers to the interaction between two biological species. Suppose this is species A and this is species B. How they are, it is interspecific interaction. The interaction between two types of the species. So here is one species, species A, and here is the another species, which is species B. How they are interacted with each other are called the species interactions. So there are different types of the species interaction. Among them, one is the amensalism. In the amensalism, one species is negatively affected and the another species have no effect. Means while it is affecting this species, one is getting negative impact and another is neutral. It is neither getting benefit nor getting harm. No benefit, no harm. So this is the definition of amensalism, that whenever the two species are interacting with each other, जब भी दो species interact करते हैं, one of the species get negative effect, एक को नुकसान हो रहा है, and the second species is neither getting benefit nor getting the harm, because that means that is the neutral. So about this, the examples are important. If I talk about an example, so one example is of antibiotic. Whenever we will take the medicines or the antibiotics, so that particular bacteria or that microorganism which is present inside the antibiotic, okay, that is killing the another microorganism which is causing some disease. For example, there is any disease, X disease, which is caused by the Y pathogen. There is any pathogen, imaginary pathogen named Y. It is causing a disease X. So for that disease, we are taking the antibiotic. Antibiotic having another bacteria or any pathogen. That pathogen is killing this Y pathogen. Because while we are taking the antibiotic, this pathogen is got killed. So Y species, the Y pathogen is getting harm. But that pathogen, that microorganism which is present in the antibiotic, that is not getting benefit or not getting harm. Who is getting the benefit? We are getting the benefit. The person is getting the benefit because disease से हम क्योर हो रहे हैं, not that pathogen, not that microorganism which is present in the antibiotic. So उस pathogen को ना ही कोई फायदा है, no any benefit, no any harm. So that is in the neutral interaction with this Y pathogen, because Y pathogen is getting harmed. So this is one example of the amensalism. If I talk about the another example, during grazing और herbivore, जब भी गाय भैंस चर रहे होते हैं, that time they are eating the plants or the grasses. Okay, we will not talk about the interaction between those grasses which are being eaten and the particular cattle. We are talking about those plants or those grasses which are destroyed while grazing. जब भी वो चर रहे होते हैं उस टाइम पे उनके पैर से या उनके मुंह से कुछ प्लांट्स क्या हो जाते हैं, वेस्ट. Some of the grasses got wasted. So those wasted grasses have a negative impact. उन्हें नुकसान हुआ, their life cycle is retarded or destroyed. But by destroying those plants, उन plants को खाया तो नहीं cattle ने. It means cattle is not getting any benefit, not any harm. उन grasses को destroy करने से कोई नुकसान भी नहीं हो रहा, उन grasses को destroy करने से कोई फायदा भी नहीं हो रहा. वो grasses जिनको plant खा रहा है उससे तो grass से फायदा हो रहा है because they are getting food. But those grasses which are got wasted, they are neither giving benefit or not giving harm to the cattle. So this type of interaction is neutral and negative because those plants which are wasted are getting harmful effect. This is also an example of amensalism. One more common example is there, the plant walnut. This is 2, grazing, this was 1. The walnut tree secretes a chemical juglone. What this juglone chemical do is, it inhibits the growth of another plants like apple, lychee. Okay, due to the secretion of this chemical, the apple and lychee plant got inhibited. So walnut is not getting any benefit. Okay, because these are not the competitive or the competitions of the apple and lychee plant are not the competitor of walnut plant. So there is no benefit to walnut plant by secreting this chemical. So it will be neutral, but the apple and lychee plant got harmful effect. So negative and neutral interaction. This is also the example of amensalism.